Most people fail with ebooks for one simple reason. They create the book first. No validation, no traffic, no system, and then they wonder why it doesn't sell. But here's the truth. Making money with ebooks has very little to do with writing. It has everything to do with structure. In this video, I'll show you a simple system you can use to validate your idea, create your ebook with AI, and turn it into a faceless business that actually makes money. And if you want a step-by-step template to follow along, I have added a free resource in the description below that breaks this down for you. Right now, ebooks are still one of the easiest ways to make money online. Why? Because the barrier is low. You don't need a team, you don't need inventory, you don't need experience. And with tools like ChatGPT, you don't even need to write everything yourself. But here's where most people go wrong. They treat ebooks like products instead of seeing them as entry points. Because one ebook can do much more than just sell. It can generate leads, it can build authority, and it can connect to a bigger system. Before you create anything, you need to validate your idea. This is the step most people skip. Go to Amazon, search for topics in your niche, look at bestseller rank, reviews, and titles that repeat. You can also use tools like BookBeam to analyze demand and combine that with ChatGPT. Ask it, what problems do people have in this niche? Your goal is simple: one problem, one audience. That's it. Now you create the ebook, but don't overcomplicate it. Start with ChatGPT. Use it to generate an outline, structure your content, and create drafts. Then simplify everything, focus only on the problem, then the solution, and finally the steps. If you don't want to write, you can use talk-to-text or hire a ghostwriter on Fiverr. For design, use Canva and keep it simple. Clean layout, clear sections. Easy to read. Remember, your ebook is not a novel. It's a guide. Now you upload your book to Amazon KDP. This is where most people stop, but this is only the beginning. Inside KDP, you can publish ebooks, paperbacks, and later your audiobooks. Set a simple price. Focus on clarity, not perfection. Now you need traffic, because no traffic means no sales. You have two simple options. Option 1, short-form content. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Create simple videos around your topic. Each video explains one idea. Option 2, Amazon ads. Start small, $3 to $5 per day. Test keywords, scale what works. And here's the key, your content should always lead somewhere. Not just views, but action. Now here's where everything changes. Instead of just selling your ebook, you build a system around it. You can turn one ebook into multiple income streams. First, use it as a lead magnet. Offer a free version. Collect emails. Now you own your audience. Second, create a paid version. Add more depth, more structure. Third, add affiliate offers. Recommend tools like writing platforms, design tools, or publishing services. Fourth, upsell. Turn your content into a course, a template pack, or a system. Now you're not making one sale. You're building a flow. And this is where it becomes powerful. One idea can become 3 products. Step 1, record a simple session. Use Zoom or Loom. Step 2, turn it into an ebook. Step 3, create an audio version. Now you have video, ebook, and audiobook from one idea. Structure it like this: ebook to core product, audio to order bump, video to upsell. This increases your average value without creating more work. And the best part is, you don't need to show your face. You can use AI voice, simple visuals, and faceless videos. Now your system is scalable. You suddenly have a new topic but the same structure. You can repeat it again and again. I personally use several templates and structures to produce my videos. If I can do it, so can you. Now you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot. But it's not. You don't need everything at once. Start simple. One topic, one ebook, one traffic source. That's enough? Then expand. If you want to see how this works step by step, check the free template in the description below. There you'll find everything you need to get started and a clear roadmap. And if you want a more guided approach with templates, systems, and real examples, that's exactly what I have built inside the school community. But remember this, the ebook is not the business, it's the starting point. The real opportunity is in what you build around it and how you generate traffic.